Hermes agent is a special beast. Today we're going to take a look at 3 Hermes use cases that really show what makes Hermes different from any other AI agent out there. Now I'm going to be using Hostinger because the one-click managed Hermes makes it super easy to get started without compromising on performance. In case you want to follow along, there's a link in the description and a code in there with a special discount just for you. So let's start off strong. First, a competitor analysis. Now, any price monitoring tool you find is going to be pretty passive. You set a number and it pings you if the price goes lower or higher than what you set. But what if you could apply the same idea with a little bit more active understanding on your agent's side? Let's say you have a web store selling graphic t-shirts and you want to keep your price competitive while also turning a profit. In this scenario, you could use Hermes to monitor any sales your competitors may be running and use that information to either adjust your pricing or send your most loyal customers a special discount. You could also use it when starting a business to understand how much people are willing to pay and set your prices accordingly. Just set a prompt that looks kind of like this. So, you get an alert when the prices drop and you can decide whether you want to match that deal or not. But Hermes will also start learning to watch for those price drops and build a pattern of when your competitors run promotions, or even release new products that are cheaper or more expensive than usual. Now, if you turn that into a competitor analysis, Hermes will write that as a skill, and you can continue to talk to your agent about what your pricing strategy will look like moving forward. Hermes can actually write its own skills, and does so without even prompting. Every time it goes through a complex task, it stores that as a skill. Plus, it actually edits that file the more it uses that skill, improving itself every single time. Now, searching for a job is a job in and of itself, actually. Figuring out which websites have real listings and manually rewriting your CV to match job descriptions is a huge time sink. So why not use Hermes to help with that? All you have to do is prompt it with the role you're looking for, a couple of key job boards, and any other filters you would have added to your search. Then save your CV to your Hermes workspace so the agent can reference it across multiple sessions. Yeah, you heard that right. Hermes uses persistent memory, so it doesn't completely lose everything from session to session. Plus, Hermes creates a profile out of your patterns and preferences, so it knows exactly how to work with you. So every morning you're going to get a short list of job listings on your phone, a scored breakdown with a set of suggested edits to your CV, and an explanation for each one. You can either edit those manually or just approve the changes and Hermes will do it for you. No more playing guessing games with ATS or losing hope in front of a computer screen as you see the same job over and over and over again. You read the report, you decide where to apply, and spend your energy on preparing for your curated list. Now, after a few days, tell Hermes which roles you don't want to see. So a simple prompt like this one is enough to calibrate your agent. It writes your preferences to the user MD file and your next report will already be different. Over time, your agent will build a better idea of what you're actually looking for. Now, if you want to take your job search even one step further, you can actually use Hermes to create a custom landing page for you. And this is actually pretty cool. And if you're a developer or you want to send a portfolio alongside a CV, it's a great way to keep that updated without needing to remind yourself to do it. All you need to do is tell Hermes to Google you. Hermes runs the searches, pulls together what it finds, and builds the HTML behind the scenes. Then it can SSH into your VPS, upload your new landing page, and text you a notification when it's done. Plus, you can keep editing the page just by talking to Hermes. Of course, you could do this with plenty of other no-code website builders. And Hermes is really going to build you just a pretty basic website. What sets it apart in this case, and what kind of makes me want to try it out, is what happens after the setup. You can actually automate Hermes updates by setting up a weekly or monthly cron job that searches for your work and updates your website automatically. Now, this is great if you have your work on a community site like GitHub, or if you just have any writing online. Now, there's actually no question of when you need to update the links in your portfolio. It happens in the background. Now, if you're worried about how much token spend this is going to take, you can relax. Hermes actually allows multi-model tasking, which means you can set a different model for complex tasks and a lighter, aka cheaper model for basics like web scraping. And this is a major help in keeping costs down. Now our last use case is pretty simple, but it can actually be a huge help. Now if you're anything like me, you've probably built a note-taking system and then quietly abandoned it. Now I've been seeing these intricate Obsidian graphs and systems and beautiful second brains, but I know I just don't have the effort to go around tagging and filling everything in the right place. And that's where Hermes comes in. You can actually connect Hermes to your Obsidian or Notion, start tagging and linking related notes, and flag anything that seems incomplete. Obsidian is wrapped into Hermes as a skill. You just need to point it at your notes. For a connection with Notion, you will need an API key, so just keep that in mind. Now get Hermes to interview you first, so it knows how you want to organize your notes. It writes your answers to its user model, and then it starts to clean things up. Set this up as a monthly cron job, with a summary of what you added to your notes that particular month. The first cleanup takes the longest, but after that, you'll be building towards a second brain and give yourself a moment to review all of the ideas you wrote down in the past month that you probably would have forgotten otherwise. And if there's anything you want Hermes to implement, you just have to say the word. Once again, to get Hermes set up, Hostinger has a new managed option that handles everything for you, so you can skip right through to the part where you're actually using it. Your AI credits come bundled in with one-click deployment along with out-of-the-box Telegram connection, so you don't have to worry about configuring it yourself during setup. You still get CLI access, a secure environment, and everything you need to run Hermes smoothly, just without the hassle of managing API keys. Now, if you want to get your Hermes agent online fast, check out the link down below and use the discount code APP10. And just before we go, there's one more use case that I didn't go into in today's video. For anyone who can't get themselves to bed before 2 a.m., we built a personal health assistant using Hermes, Apple Health, and a Hostinger VPS. That video is coming up next, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.